So today is October 21st, shortly after the procedure, and this little monkey is doing so good. You can see his energy has increased like 100-fold. He just loves playing and fooling around. So does Daddy. He's having lots of fun. Look at her go. He's so cute.
Stumbled. He's like, I'm a little dizzy.
How are you doing today, Kelly Bear? Hello. Hi. Oh, give me kisses. Give everyone kisses and tell them how awesome this was. You got slobber lens. How's the switching doing today?
Good, he's not twitching at all.
That's fabulous. He's still on the phenobarbital, but he's doing awesome. His energy has just increased so much. He's just so loving. He's a perfect little dog. Come here, buddy. Oh, come say hi. Hello. Oh, it's Dad. Is that a hockey player? It's a hockey player. You're so cute, buddy. I don't know. I don't know if I want to go outside. Mom? Okay. So this is Callie. As you can see, he's doing so much better. Just so shortly after the procedure, too. He's like, nah, throw the hockey player. Run.